Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update versioning strategy for TestFlight builds, full guide step by step clearly. To update the versioning strategy for TestFlight builds, start by opening your project in Xcode. Navigate to the project settings by clicking on the project name in the navigator. Select your app target from the list of targets. Go to the General tab within your target settings. Locate the version field, which represents the user-facing version number. Decide on a semantic versioning format, usually following the major.minor.patch structure. Update the version field according to the changes made in your app. Next, find the build field just below the version number. The build number should be increment every time you upload a new build. A common practice is to use a timestamp or increment by 1 for every build. For example, if the last build number was 1, update it to 2. After updating the version and build number, click on the product menu at the top of Xcode. Select Archive to prepare your app for distribution. Once the archiving process completes, the Organizer window will open. From the Organizer window, select the archived build you want to upload. Click the Distribute App button. Choose App Store Connect as the distribution method. Follow the on-screen prompts to validate and upload your build. Once the upload process is complete, head over to App Store Connect. Log into your account and navigate to My Apps. Select your app from the list of applications. In the App Information section, confirm that the version and build number reflect the updates you made. Once confirmed, submit your build for review if you're ready. Monitor the status of your build in App Store Connect to ensure it is processed successfully. Congratulations, you have successfully updated your versioning strategy for TestFlight builds. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.